Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Facebook on a desktop. This gives you the most inspection tools. Once logged in, open the exact post or image you want to inspect in its own tab so you don't lose context. Make sure you know whether the content lives on a page, a personal profile, or inside a group. Each shows different metadata. This first step gets you into the right place and makes the next actions faster and more reliable. Now click the post's three-dot menu and look for options like View Edit History, Find Support or Report, or View Photo Details. These reveal timestamps and recent changes. Once done, open the pages about section and page transparency. They often list official contact info, legal disclaimers, or creator attribution. If the image was uploaded by a page, check the page's posts for recurring credit lines. These steps help you find ownership claims and any explicit copyright statements. For final verification, download the image and examine EXIF metadata. Sometimes creator or camera info is embedded. Next, reverse image search to locate original sources. Matching uploads elsewhere can confirm ownership. If the content is on a page you manage, use Facebook Rights Manager to view ownership claims. If you suspect infringement, use the Report IP infringement flow. If metadata is stripped or results are ambiguous, note that many images lose EXIF, so rely on multiple clues before concluding who holds copyright.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.